Oh, well, I was about to say happy Sunday viewers, and here we are, and it's not very happy for him. Sunday 11 versus the Woodpeckers. We're in the third over, and the score's already 16 for 3. Yeah. Well, what fun. More shortly. Young Jake Cronin, one of our under 15s, under 16s. They grow up so quickly nowadays, just got a wicket out. It's his second wicket in 2 overs. The Cornish Coley there at first slip, that bald patch on the top of his head gets bigger and bigger, seemingly every week now. It's virtually all patch. I hope you've all wintered well. We've tried to keep you entertained with a few remasters of some of the best games the last couple of years, and me and Lance took a bit of and why not, which seems to have been well received, mainly because we don't talk about cricket in there much. Bowling. And there's the Woodpeckers in true style, starting the game off with a pre-match pint. And there's our new, what is it? It's that's where we put our bins, behind that fence. Jolly splendid that is. Little look at Milan here. Steady as ever, on the money. He's a good bowler. Lovely shot. And it's dry outfield, pretty slick for this time of year. 4 runs. And yeah, that's Derek on umpiring duties. Oh, nice bit of bootage there from Milan. He is the bootage specialist. First one of the season. Couldn't get his boot on that, could he? Here's Luca the pocket rocket. Can't get that. Nice shot. And again, find the gap. 4 runs. Beautiful. Shot. Down there. That's a good shot, and that's 4 runs. No problem at all. And Lord Handley has crept out from behind the trees. First sighting of him this season. Well, it's the first game, so marvellous stuff. Oh, lovely, lovely. Chipped over the top. 1 bounce 4. That's beautiful over a long on. And Jake the bowler, one of about half a dozen or so of our under 15s. Very talented bunch. Sure to be breaking into senior cricket at second 11 level this season, hopefully. We need them. Derek there, relegated to umpiring, or is it promoted? Bit of a problem with the electronic scoreboard, something to do with the electrics, but the score's raced up to 50 for 3 off whatever it is, 9, might be 10 overs. Lovely shot, proper shot. Chris Aishleyman on, down the hill, some leg spinners, and I tell you what, that's gone for 6. Bit of a loose one. That's better. Tom Green, another one of our under 15s. Oh, I tell you what, that's been latched onto that, pretty sharpish. Oh, another one, lovely. And in true Sunday style, 50 and retired. Oh, yes, no, just made it. Oh, that's a good shot. Oh, that would have bowled him, I think, but instead it's gone for 4. Stewie won't get that. Oh. Oh, lovely shot, and Stewie saved his face there, I think. Lovely shot. Chris didn't move, only because he can't. 4 runs, beautiful. Just for information, it's a 35 overs a side game. Oh, and that's played on. Played on. Unlucky there. Ah, nice shot. Bit of bootage there from Dutchy, but I think that's going to go anyway. Good work there from Pulfers, getting his leg in the way. It's in the air, and it's over the top. For 4 though. There have been 2 or 3 minds there, the batsman. Always good fun watching this sort of bowling. And that could be out. Oh no, it's just evades the Cornish Coley. He's not what it was. In many ways, actually. In true bowler style, Chris will count those as 2 drops, the last 2 balls. Oh, we're bowled. Oh, it's a loose one. Picked up beautifully. Another loose one. Just evades Haynes's despairing dive, and it's 4. Bit short that. And 4. Nice little push. Look for 2 here. Coley, oh lovely one-handed pick up there, he's still got it. Shame about the throw. Keith Haynes on to bowl. Nearly 70 now, and there we go, he gets a wicket with his first ball. Batsman probably can't believe what happened there. Very watchful, and why not? Nice bit of kneeage there. The googly there. It's a little too short. Oh, bowl. Leading edge. Nice. Ooh. How did that miss? Haynes is looking quite dangerous here. And another under 15, Sam Hiscock. Lovely little wrist action there. Get a bit of a tweak on it. Bowled. Shot. Got over that nicely. And it's 4. Shot. Beats the Coley. That's gone. Well bowled. Well bowled, young Sam Hiscock. Magnificent. Deserve that. Or left. Ah, that's another 50. And retired. A lot of energy from this batsman. Ooh. Well, I've just been doing my duty and welcoming Lord Handley, the 3rd Earl of Sanderstead, to the ground, and there's a wicket that went down, a stumping. The new chap's come in and clubbed it straight to Moo corner. Bit of father's weekly there, love it. Oh, that could be out. And it is, well done. Good catch there, super stuff. Pleased with himself. That's his one for his mate. Beautiful. Look at that. That's how to behave on the cricket field. Well done. Hello. Oh, Pulfers. Makes a little bit of a laboured effort there, but Catches it nonetheless. He'll be chortling away, as is everyone else. Oh, hello, that could be. Oh, just dropped short. Just bounced by his ankles and gone for 4. So, 6 overs left. Or 1 wicket, whichever comes first. Already a competitive total, so we're going to have a game. Oh, that's got to be out. That's hit him right in front. Absolutely right in front. Well, that's it. I think that's T. If the scoreboard was correct, yes. Well done, well bowled, young Sam Hiscock deserved that. Yeah, the youngster's done well today. And the oldie, Ainsey. Right, after a sumptuous tea. 167 to win off 35 overs. Tom Palfrey facing. And having a little look at it. And Stu Ellery, non-striker. Oh, well. Palfrey's doing what Palfrey does. Little defensive push for a 4. Oh, and that's gone past him, and that's 4. Beautiful. Tea was good today.
Yeah, it's the old skill.
Oh. I think he got a big old load of bat on that. Oh, hello. I know we've sold a few drinks today. Might have had something to do with that. Or played the bar, 2 runs. Oh, good ball. Lovely little bit of whippage there from Palfrey. Beautiful. Hello. Well, that's well watched. It's guided down a 3rd man for 4. Always have a man on the boundary. Rolling. Shot from Palfrey, didn't middle that. And a beautiful dive. And he finds the ball. That's just casually flicked away for 4. Bowled, well played. Oh, hello. I have to say, that is a tremendous delivery. I don't think it's anywhere near the bat, but that leapt like a salmon. Slow ball. Negotiated. Oh, it could be a run out here. Oh no, the throw just wasn't there, but Stu is demolished the stumps. Oh, magnificent. Someone said, isn't that out? Love it. This is, it's all happening here. Ooh, that's wide. Just got pretty close to that. Couldn't complete the job. Oh, that's a nice hit. Proper shot. Well, Palfrey has shed a few pounds in the winter, and the new slimline Palfrey is making him play a little bit straighter. That's another beautiful 4 through extra cover. And that's a silly hat. And why not? That's gone in the air, but nowhere near anyone. That's a big old yak in. Well done. Good start. Oh, Stewie's got one there right on the ankle. Ah, nice little shot from Stew, finds the gap. And all the way. Ooh. Well bowled. Almost cricket, that. Ah. Oh, he's going to get... Should get 4 there. Shot from Stewie. Finds the gap beautifully. Oh, beautifully through the gap again. Stewie knows where the gaps are. Fabulous. Big swing and a miss.
Oh, Runky.
Well, yes. Well kept out. Score's rattling along now. A bit of loopy off spin comes into the attack. Bowl. And Stewie just casually strokes it over. Long on for 4. Oh, lovely, lovely bootage. Left footed as well. Fantastic. Looks like it must have been a left winger. Football terms. Don't worry about that one. I tell you what, good catch, but he took it over with him. Did he keep hold of it? No. Goes down as a chance, I guess. And another chance. And he takes it. Good catch. Good catch. Much harder than the first one, I think. Ah, well. Well done, Polfers. Luca Easton at 3. Another one of the under 15s quartet. That's over the top. Luca. That's... should go. The score at drinks. Goes aerial. Going to be out. And it is. Here he is, the Cornish Coley. My partner in crime. Well, with almost 80 to get, Lance could end up here with a nice little 10 or 12 not out if he gets on with it. And he's away. Lovely on drive from Stewie. He knows it's 4. Well played. Stewie goes aerial. 6 runs. Good little hoik. And Stewie's retiring. We don't usually do that. Could turn around and bite us in the bum. Bob Hollins in at 5. Stalwart of the club. He's got over 10,000 runs and a hell of a lot of wickets too. Well, it's going to be close. Maybe drifting down.
That was just their rule.
Oh, that's beautiful. Ooh.
See, every now and then you get a bit of a fruity one.
Yeah, absolutely. Ah, that's a nice shot from Dutchy.
Hollandaise!
Punched it through. Fielded. And Cody's down. Oh dear. The elegance of it. Ah, now that is just magnificent.
That's a great shot.
Go on the red.
Just a 2. Shot from Dutchy. No mistake there. Bold.
Good lead, Bob.
Oh, that's gone. Well bowled. She was just starting to get going then. So something like 44 to win off 10 overs. Lance has got to shepherd these young lads through to the victory. Ah, shot. 4. Beautiful touch. Oh, well played. Get back. Good leave. Bit of a tense moment here. The run rate's going up. Runs are hard to get. 33 needed off 6. Runs have sort of dried up a little bit. Bowled. And he's given him. That's a big wicket, that. It's 4 down now with Stewie retired, but can come back. Flipped over, that should be out. And it is. That's a big wicket. So we still need 32, I think. 4 and a bit overs. 29 needed off 4.
Oh yeah, cat.
It's a well set field for these youngsters.
Oh.
Could get 2 here if they turn and go.
You would agree?
They didn't. That's a lovely shot.
Oh, well done!
And well stopped. 26 needed off 3. Well set field here. Challenging the boys to hit straight. Over the top maybe. Oh, that's a fine one. Not fine enough. Good 2. Oh, that's bowled him. Well bowled. Another one goes. Milan in. Well, let's have a little bit of a swing. I tell you what, that's 4 straight away. Beautiful shot. You can't set a field for Milan, he doesn't know where it's going to go. Well, 20 runs, 10 balls.
Yeah!
And that's gone. Swinging from the hip now. 9 balls left, 20 to win. Oh, another swing, wild swing. Well, that's going to be out. And it is. It brings Hainsey in, which will be interesting. So what's Hainsey going to do? He could try and bat the draw out, but there isn't one. In his head there probably will be. He's on 99 ducks in his career. Oh, and he's lost the strike, so over to Milan. Final over, 20 to win, just Stu Ellery to return. Big old swing and a miss. 4 a ball needed. The bowler's got a bit of urgency about him, which, well, that's 4. 16 off 4 needed. Oh, big swing and a miss. 16 off 3 now, into 6s needed. Well, where's that? That's gone now for 4. So 12 needed off 2, 2 6s. 2 6s needed. Ooh, I tell you what, that was the ball to hit one of them in. But that's it, barring no balls. And that's just down to 1 there. Chaps have got it. So, that's what a magnificent game of Sunday cricket. No, we think that's it. Oh. No. That's it. That's it.
Oh, that is it.
That is it. Well, what a wonderful, wonderful start to the season that has been. The result doesn't matter really. You can never remember who wins or loses these games. What we do remember is the fun we have and the enjoyment of meeting up once a year to play against these chaps. They love coming here, we love having them. The bar's open, of course, and we've got Pilgrim's Quench on. I'm going to go and have 1 or perhaps 2. Next week, nothing on. I'm doing nothing on Saturday, but another game on Sunday, and then after that the league starts. Until then, cheerio.